Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making a very yummy-licious fried rice with shrimps and a touch of beef in the rice. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe and like and share the videos if you enjoyed it at the end. Thank you. To start off with our shrimps, we'll be pouring in our stock. You can use a chicken stock or beef stock for this. We're going to be turning it over. We'll allow this marinate for 2 hours. We'll pour in some olive oil into a preheated pan. Also, we'll add some butter to give us some tenderness on the shrimp. For the full description of what we use to spice up our shrimps besides the meat stock, kindly go to the description box down below and you'll see all the spices that we use to make this our shrimp delicious. We just turn it, we'll set it aside. Now that it's done, we'll be using remnant oil from our shrimps. Frying, we'll add some onions and stir. We'll be pouring in some pepper. Green pepper comes in. We stir to combine. Our yellow pepper, very rich in vitamin C, goes in. We'll also be stirring to combine. Our red pepper goes in as we stir all this our delicious peppers to combine. We'll be adding our meat stock, some curry, salt, stir once again. Once poured, we'll add our rice and turn until our rice completely mixes with our stock, our pepper, to give us that delicious fried rice. So yum.